This is Marble Bath, California, USA. There's something really strange about this rock formation. It looks like someone has placed a giant marble bathtub right in the middle of the Mojave Desert. But how did it get there? Well, the story behind its origins is actually quite simple, although perhaps a little bit disappointing. In 1937, a man named Charles M. Walker was exploring the desert when he came across this rock formation. He was an engineer who had been hired by the government to survey the area. But when he saw this rock formation, he assumed that it was a huge marble bathtub that had been left behind by some ancient Native Americans. He even named the site Indian Bathing Pool. He sent a report to the Smithsonian Institution with his discovery, and they sent out an expedition to find it. The team was led by a man named Chester D.L. Wool, who was an archaeologist. They found the rock formation to be in the exact location that Charles had described in his report, and because of this, they believed him. Chester even went on to publish a paper on his findings in a scientific journal called the Journal of California and Arizona Indian Studies. In the paper, he stated that the pool was most likely used by the Serrano people for bathing, and that it may have also been used for ceremonial purposes. However, in reality, these claims were completely false. The rock formation wasn't even man-made. It just looked like a bathtub, and it just so happened to be in the exact location that Charles had said it would be. When the government received this report, they sent out another team to investigate. They discovered that there was a very reasonable explanation for the rock formation. It was simply a result of a map error. The area had been surveyed many years earlier, and the surveyor had accidentally mapped a mountain range in the wrong location. This meant that when Charles was exploring the desert, he was actually looking at the correct place, but he was looking at a mountain range that didn't actually exist. So basically, this whole mystery was just a case of a map being in the wrong place. But despite this, the story of the marble bath has persisted. People still visit the site today, and many of them believe that it really is a mysterious rock formation of unknown origin. I guess it just goes to show that sometimes the truth really can be stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more. Thanks.